We are going to take a look at how to clean up your Mac Mail inbox. If you have never used Mac Mail, when you open it for the first time, you will want to choose Exchange and then type your email and password in. A lot of your guys' emails look similar to this in the fact that there's lots of Schoology messages. Our goal is to hopefully clean that up a little bit. There's going to be a few rules in mailboxes that we are going to create. First, we are going to create a new mailbox. So at the very top, choose Mailbox and select New Mailbox. Call this one Schoology. We'll come back to that one later. Next one we are going to actually do is another new mailbox, but this time we want to choose New Smart Mailbox. Mailbox name, I am going to call it Schoology Courses. Goal behind this is anything that relates to your courses, your classes in Schoology will actually end up going into here. So we want to say contains messages that match all, subject contains, and we want to choose course update, and then hit OK. Now you'll notice as soon as I make this, there is a new smart mailbox. I have today and I have Schoology courses. Automatically I have 3 messages from Schoology with the subject that contains the words course update in it. Also looking at the smart mailboxes, if you want to just see what's going on today, just clicking on today is going to be a very nice option for you to be able to do, and you're going to see everything that has been sent throughout today. Another mailbox option you may choose to do is to create a save mailbox for things you do not want to delete. Recommend just making sure your location you want to be in Exchange. That way it will work everywhere. So here would be a good option to be able to put various files that you know you're going to want to save throughout the year. We are now going to take a look at mailbox preferences. So choose Mail, go to Preferences. In general, things you may want to take a look at if you want to make sure you have your mail is checked automatically. If you do not like the sounds, the little ping that comes every time you get a new message, you can change that to none, or if you have another one that you prefer. Going on, if you choose Accounts, you should have Exchange chosen. If you have Google, it is not working. So you will want to remove it and add, choose Exchange, and then type in your Harrisburg information. Next, signature is kind of handy. If you create your own signature, you won't have to worry about putting your name at the very end. You see that it pre-populated my email address along with my account name that I currently have on this. So that's for signatures. The one we really want to go to right now is rules. We are going to want to add a rule. So choose Add Rule. I am going to call this Schoology. And my rules are, if any of the following conditions are met, I am going to choose Subject contains. First thing I want to add is Group Update. Then I want to choose the plus sign. Change Subject contains School Update. That way this rule is going to apply for any groups that I'm in and any school messages that I receive. Perform the following actions. I want to move the message to Schoology. And I also am going to add it so it mark it as red because I do not want it to be bolded. Once I'm happy with that, I can click OK. It's going to say, do you want to apply this to all of your existing mail? I do. And you're going to watch in the background, these are going to start to disappear. Now I have that. You can add multiple different rules if you want. I'm happy with just that one. So now I still have these 3. The reason why I still have those is these are actually for my courses. The courses are also right there. Now if I go to Schoology here, these are the ones that have school updates, and group updates. Now I can quickly go through these. My recommendation, really quick, is anything that's more than a week old, select it and just delete it, get rid of it. And you can go through that. If you want to click on one, press Command A or Edit, select all, and you can delete all the messages at once from the groups and the school updates. Next thing that you might be interested in knowing is regarding flags. So there is a message that actually is not from Schoology. I need to deal with this. Maybe it's your coach or an advisor or something like that. I need to get back to this and I'm afraid I'm going to lose this. So you can simply click on this and then hit a flag. There's different colors of flag options. It's your preference. But now any of my messages that are flagged that may be things you have to get accomplished, you can filter through those by just clicking on the new mailbox flagged, and I can see exactly what's going on there. If I delete this message, it stays in the flagged because it's still flagged, but it's gone from the inbox. So to get rid of it, either have to delete it from the trash or simply remove the flag, and then it will go away. Hopefully this helps you clean out your mailbox. I would again recommend right now going through the Schoology folder that you've just created. Delete anything that is over a week old because it probably does not pertain to you anymore. Then go to the Schoology course and probably do the same thing. Anything that's more than a week old, you can probably delete. And then spend the rest of the time filtering out the things that you know you do not need.